Welcome to First Touch Football Kickz. In this short video, you'll find out how to find a local session and make a booking through our website. Just visit www.firsttouchfootballkickz.co.uk. Now on the website, you'll find our different football experiences if you go down through the page. From there, you can click on each experience to find out more information. Should you want to book a session or find your local session, go to the top, click Book a Session. It will take you through to our bookings page. Here you can search for your session or experience by your location. Put in your location into the finder. You can change your search radius and press search. I'm going to search for our mini kick sessions, so filter that out by pressing the search. I'm then going to choose our Woodland Community Centre. If I press book now, it will give me a list of all the dates and times of our mini kick sessions at that venue. Pick your date and time. I'm going to select this one here, and it will give me the session details along with all the relative information regarding that session. You then have a couple of choices. You can select our pay-as-you-go option by our Mini Kickz One player. You also can use our Flexi Kickz Pass, which we will explain in another video. I'm going to select the pay-as-you-go option. I press select, and from there I can hit view selections if that's the only one I'm going to select. It will give you the description of what you've chosen. If you want to then continue your booking, press book now. If you've never booked with us before, you can put in your email address. And press continue. Again, if you've not booked with us before, you will need to put the child's details in that will be attending the session. Put in their date of birth. Select the year group, being Mini Kickz, this is preschool. Put in the parent guardian contact number. Any relative medical details we may need to know. You then need to put the adult's full name, and then go down through the relative permissions about photography, the refund policy, and then whether you'd like to receive updates and details of any future sessions, including discounted options. When you've completed your booking, the child attendee details will be saved under your email address. You can create your own Kickz account via our Kickz account page after your booking, or using the set a password in your booking confirmation email. This will then remember the child attendee details, and you won't have to re-enter all of the details every time, making the process a lot faster and smoother. Once those details are correct, press continue. You can then double check the details of what you're purchasing and what you're booking, then press proceed to payment. This will then take you through to the payment page, which is all powered by Stripe. Once you've completed the payment, you will get a booking confirmation message appear on your screen, and you will also get a booking confirmation email, which will go through to the email you've provided in your booking. And that's it, your booking is complete. We look forward to seeing you and your child at your upcoming session. Check out our other helpful how-to videos, our next one being on our passes, looking at our Flexi Kickz Pass and Kickz 4 Pass, how you can purchase them and how to use them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon at First Touch Football Kickz.